everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Fahalo reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to check out the legitimacy of this website, and that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. As people from the countries like United States, United Kingdom or Canada are very curious to know about the legitimacy of online portals, so let's check out the detail. It is an online website that is associated with the non-profit organization that sells bracelet that comes with an actual animal to track. It claims to educate people about wildlife or animal to excite them for conversion. It is HTTPS secured website. The product are bracelet registered on 12th May 2021. You can enjoy free shipping if you order above $50. No shipping period have been shared. As far as return policy is concerned, you can enjoy return your product within 30 business days. They have multiple payment methods like MasterCard, Visa card, American Express and PayPal. They share their email address and physical address, but unfortunately they have not shared their contact detail. The positive point of the website are the website is HTTPS safe. It was valid social media links on it, offering free shipping over the order of $50. It claims to save animal and also donates its profit for animal conservation. There are positive customer reviews mentioned on the website. The negative point of the website are newly created website contact number is missing. So the question is Fahalo legit? Let's check out the detail to check out the legitimacy. As far as its content quality is concerned, it holds in-depth information about its project and mission. The site has not mentioned its detailed policies. As far as customer reviews are concerned, we found decent reviews mentioned on the website that gains excellent rating from online feedback portal. It was registered on 12th May 2021 and it will expire on 12th May 2023. It holds active social media links on it. The trust score is 33%, that is poor, and trust rank is 6.9%, that is also horrible. As far as its reviews are concerned, we are fortunate to receive positive reviews on the official portal under each bracelet. Moreover, from their official page, we found that the website has a good fan following. Many people have asked about the use of the bracelet and has shown interest in animal saving mission. On the other hand, the website have received 4.7 star rating from Trustpilot and also managed to gain decent reviews. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website had gained a decent response from its customer and it also gained popularity on its social media platform. But still, we suggest you to research well before entering your card details on the website to avoid any risk of getting scammed. And if you have experience of shopping from this store, please feel free, write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.